The day a woman can walk freely on roads and time, that day we can say that India has achieved independence. The recent crimes against women, especially the Kolkata rape case and many more cases, has raised concerns about women's safety and protection in India. So how safe is India for women in 2024?
Hello SIS team, my name is Manik and on the behalf of my team Tech Tribe 2.2, we would like to introduce our solution to the problem statement titled Women Safety Analytics Protecting Women from Safety Threats. Basically our idea is to build a web-based platform named SafeSphere which leverages data science and modern technologies to enhance the safety of women by analyzing real-time and historical data. What our approach is that we want to include real-time monitoring using data analysis from multiple sources to detect threats which potentially cause harm to the safety of women. We predict the unsafe areas, highlight the risky zones based on the data patterns, and eventually will be incorporating the features for like citizens can mark any particular city or area unsafe, and as we get many inputs from from citizens for a particular area which is unsafe, so that we can list that area as an unsafe in the map, and as the user enters in that area, the user gets a notification that you have entered in the unsafe area. So like the feature is predict unsafe areas, and real-time alerts, we notify women about potential dangers in their vicinity, and emergency assistance quick SOS alerts services is also be there, so that the authorities loved ones should be notified before any mishappenings. So yes, this is our basic idea or approach. For the approach will be looking forward to make two dashboard, one for public dashboard is for the users, and one for admin dashboard is used by the authorities, so that they can analyze the data and predict whether everything is safe or not, and real-time data, as I already told you, and alert systems which can be triggered if the certain male count is exceeds for a particular limit. For future scope, we'll be integrating the CCTV camera so that we can analyze how much men is there in a particular situation and what is their gesture, so that we can predict whether the woman is in danger or not. And our product is unique because we look forward to integrate many features, and as all these features is not available in a single app, certain feature is available in one app and another feature is in another app, but we are looking forward to integrate all these features and make a single app which comprises of all these features, so that it's unique and stand out from other existing solutions in the market. And we can use end-to-end data encryption for privacy and anonymity, and use certain APIs to make our website more usable.
So as Manik has explained you the basic interface and working of the app, I Manan would be giving more insights and explaining technological stack that we are using in the problem statement. So our app SafeSphere is going to be a web-based application app that basically works on two features, or you can say two factors. That would be SOS feature, and the second would be the surveillance model, or you can say computer vision model. So let me introduce you to the basic computer vision model. So computer vision model that we are using a Python machine learning model that is OpenCV. So what OpenCV does is it fetches data from the surveillance camera around the streets, identifies and classifies the gender. The second it would do it manages and it classifies the scene, that what is going on, and we are using YOLO, that is you look only once model, for more accuracy. So SOS feature is the second most valuable feature that we have added in our problem statement. So what does it do is that it sends the message to the nearby police station and to kith and kins of the user. And the basic test cases would be like if user cannot press the SOS button. So we have included a speech model such that the SOS feature recognizes the speech of the user and enables itself so that it could send the messages further. So if user isn't able to give instructions via audio or via pressing the SOS button, so the third would be we have included a API that is called Apple iBeacon, which would basically do is analyze the user's position or user's GPS position, which enables the SOS feature. For example, user suddenly stops, or user's location is suddenly high paced, or it changes positions rapidly. For basic front-end part for our web-based application, we are using HTML, CSS that you all know, and for making it more responsive, we are using React. And for data analysis and for database management, we are using MongoDB, and for fetching the data, we are using SQL. So now for big data analysis, we are using Apache Spark, and for machine learning only, we are using TensorFlow, OpenCV model, and YOLO, that is you look only once. Now for further parts, I would like to invite Lavisha. Thank you.
Today, I want to highlight the feasibility and viability of a dedicated website for women safety and protection. First, regarding feasibility, we can effectively identify or target audience by understanding their unique needs and concerns, by curating relevant resources like safety tips, legal information, and emergency contacts. We can ensure comprehensive support. Additionally, developing a user-friendly mobile responsive design will make our platform accessible to everyone while implementing robust security measures will protect user data and foster trust. Now, let's talk about viability. There is a clear market demand for reliable information and support around women's safety, which positions us well in the space. We can explore diverse monetization strategies such as partnerships with NGOs and potential grants. Initially, the cost is manageable and ongoing cost can be minimalized by cloud-based solutions also. To sustain our operations, moreover, by building an engaged community and leveraging social media for outreach, we can create a supportive network that encourages participation and loyalty. In summary, with thoughtful planning and execution, this website can be both feasible and viable, ultimately empowering women and enhancing their safety.
Now, to talk about its impact, it promotes a safer community which supports women confidence in public spaces and potentially lowers the cost related to the crime and insurance. And it also provides efficient use of already existing infrastructure with minimal additional impact. The benefits are it gives real-time response, that is a quick action is given from the authority side, and it is a user friendly and most safest women app, and its scalability is easy and more expandable.
So these are our research materials that we have used throughout our process of making our project. I hope you liked our project. Thank you and have a nice day.